My name's Jess and I'm from Neon Sheep Films. We're a small video production company that focuses on high-end branded content for businesses. Yeah, one of the biggest pain points for myself is the idea of taking care of my books. All that type of thing feels like it takes forever when I've done it in the past. Having Cotchy on my team has made life really easy for me. Anytime I have any questions, they're really quick with the response. And you know, there's a lot of things that I ask that are probably stupid questions in terms of accounting and software and things, but they've always given me straight answers. They've been really polite and really, really helpful. I chose to work with the Cotchy team because I love the idea of the monthly subscription. So that covers my accounting software, and it also gives me an account manager to take care of all of the bookkeeping side of things. I feel really relaxed knowing that there's a team behind me looking after my bookkeeping. I'm confident in growing my business now and focusing on the things that I need to focus on, knowing that there is a team behind me looking after me.